And our other breaking news headline: Sean Combs has been sentenced to 50 months in federal prison for his conviction on 2 prostitution charges. That's just over 4 years. The hip-hop mogul has already spent 12 months in prison, which he will get credit for. Eyewitness News reporter Carlos Granda joins us with more details on today's sentencing. Carlos?
The judge said a substantial sentence was needed in this case to send a message to abusers and victims that exploitation and violence against women is met with real accountability. He added his actions were serious offenses that irreparably harmed 2 women.
Sean Combs addressing the court for the first time. He called his conduct disgusting, shameful, and sick, and added, "I beg your honor for mercy. I ask your honor for a chance to be a father again. I ask your honor for a chance to be a son again. I ask your honor for a chance to be a leader in my community again." Combs was convicted in July of flying people around the country for the purpose of prostitution. A jury acquitted Combs of more serious racketeering, conspiracy, and sex trafficking charges that could have put him away for life. Jurors saw security camera video of Combs kicking, beating, and dragging his then-girlfriend Cassie Ventura at a Los Angeles hotel back in 2016. Prosecutors said this conduct very clearly involved violence. Ventura, who also testified at the trial, issued a letter to the judge saying, "I am so scared that if he walks free, his first actions will be swift retribution towards me and others who spoke up." The defense today showed an 11-minute video highlighting Combs' charitable work, and his adult children also told the judge he should be given a second chance. They said while in jail, they've seen changes in him that feel real and lasting. In the end, the judge said, "A history of good works can't wash away the record in this case, which shows that you abuse the power and control over the lives of women who you profess to love."
Many of my clients were very concerned that he might walk free by the end of this year. Time served, and then a couple more months. And they were very much afraid that he would retaliate against them. And so I think that they will be happy that he will be at least in prison for a number of years.
And after court was adjourned, Combs turned to his family, telling them he was sorry. And when you take into account the time that Combs has already spent in jail and the potential for time off for good behavior, he could serve as little as 2.5 more years in prison. Live from the newsroom, I'm Carlos Granda, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.